Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend and we're ready for another great week here at Cambridge Public Schools. We have another full week here. Good luck to the volleyball team tonight as they start their postseason play. Hopefully, they can keep this thing rolling, and we have some great things in the future here. Looking back at last week, our Monday mission is what you can say to make a difference in someone's day. Just to kind of review a couple of the things that were brought up last week. Just some little things that can really make a difference in someone's day. Just saying good morning. Hey, I really like that shirt you're wearing. Thanks for all your help. Can I help you with something? Hey, I got an open spot by me. You want to sit with me at lunch? Or just simply holding a door. All those things are very simple, very easy, very little things, but they can really make a difference in boosting someone's day and making them really, happy about what's going on. This week's Monday or students of the week from last week, are Dakota Detterding, Emery Tomlin, and Dominic Godby. I didn't get around to get a picture of them, but I'll get that up for next week, and we'll get them recognized next week. So congratulations to those three students. Random acts of respect is this week's Monday mission. Random acts of respect, being a person who's being able to show respect without being a respectful person is being able to show respect without forcing it. So showing kindness and respect naturally shows that you're the kind of person that can be a Trojan. This week, show respect through kindness and being courteous. Really, that's what the focus of a lot of these missions are just kind of to point out these little things that can make, you a better person and those around you, better people as well. Really, the focus should be is how can we do all of these things without really having to force it. Obviously we need to practice, showing respect and doing the little things that make you a respectful person. But eventually what we want is just everything to just happen in a natural fashion. If you are a person that, has to always kind of choreograph your day, that doesn't make you genuine. That's not going to show that you're going to do what you have to do or do what it takes to be a great person or a good person when adversity strikes. But use this week to practice some of these random acts to be a respectful person so that you can just transition and be a naturally genuine person in that way. Some of the things that we can look at to show respect randomly is saying please and thank you. I know that's something that happens a lot. It's something that's really growing within our building. Really happy to see that progress, but continue that work. Being somebody that says please when you need something or thank you when you receive something. That's a really good sign of respect. Replying either yes sir or yes ma'am. When you are addressing adults or somebody who is in charge, saying those words and as a reply is a respectful way. If you say yep or just kind of making gestures, that's not showing that you're respecting what's being said or that you're really even listening. You're just making a response. So show respect through making the appropriate response to the appropriate situation. Last couple things is lending a helping hand and saying excuse me. Just being that person that's going to, if there's going to be a mistake made or there is something that needs to be done, being that person that jumps in or being that person that owns up to the mistake is something that's going to be huge. So show sign. These are just a few examples of how you can randomly show respect. Again, practicing these things is the first step, and then finding ways to be respectful afterwards in a genuine fashion is ideally the situation that we want to get to. This is the last week for October. Remember, October was respectful, so we had a pretty respectful theme for the month. This week, focus on showing respect through your positive actions. Showing care, compassion, and kindness are ultimate signs of respect. Obviously being cognizant of people around you and what's going on in the world around you and understanding how you can better that situation through your acts and your positive situation is the ultimate sign of being a Trojan. So I hope with that everybody has a fantastic week. and go Trojans.